Hey guys, hey, welcome back to the channel. Today here we're going to be pouring some concrete piers with brackets. This would actually be my first time doing that. I've never done it this way. I've done a lot of brackets and stuff like wet set and dry set on a monopad and all that, but I've never done it where we just did piers and then set them and then put the posts on top of that and pour a floor later. So this seems to be the way the industry's going, so we're going to see how it turns out. We just went ahead and put them all, the sonotubes in there, put them on stakes, got them all set up, ready to go, and then trucks will be here shortly, and then we're going to go ahead and pour them and stick them in there. So it should go pretty smooth. Like I said, it doesn't seem that hard, just first time doing it, so figuring it out a little bit, but it's all pretty self-explanatory, so we'll see how it goes. So here, how all these sonotubes got put in is there's just a box made, fastened it to the sonotube there, and then just stuck it in there, and we laser leveled each stake in the four corners and just put it right on. There's probably an easier way to do that or a more efficient way, but that's how we did it. So here, when we're sticking these in, we had to give it a little bit of time after we poured, about 30 minutes to an hour. That's probably about the optimal time. And you got about 30 minutes of a window where it goes in real good, where it's not too soft and not too hard. If you do go much past that, it will get really hard to go in. And if you do it right away, it'll just kind of want to fall down in there. So yeah, I just stuck them in there, and then you can jiggle them around a little bit as long as it doesn't too hard already, and then you just level it both ways on those marks on the string, and it's pretty simple from there. We also did double check these with our laser and set them up and down wise to get them exactly right on, just so it's a little bit closer and a little bit easier to frame later. Well, there it is. It really wasn't that bad or that hard, so I could see us doing this more in the future.